Hi, I'm going to show you now an example of a project that we completed for a client. This client was a utilities company, a water utilities company, and they needed to be able to put a dye system up into the gutters of certain types of buildings. The dye would go down the drain pipes into the gutters, into the drainage systems. They would lift up manholes and they'd be able to see basically where the dye went, so they could identify what drains were for what buildings. So they needed to get a coloured dye very high up into these gutters. So they came to us with this idea. We discussed it, we found out the important aspects of it. It had to be very rugged. They were on a budget, and the most important thing is that it was very tough, and the head assembly needed to get hold of that gutter and make sure that this pole didn't fall back down. So we came up with a standard aluminium type pole for the strength and rigidity, but also the durability, and to meet their budget. We created the head piece here, which is in stainless steel. This hook allows us to hook this into the gutter and take the weight of the pole. The tube that comes all the way up inside the pole here allows the dye to pump into the gutter. We used our standard clamping system, which allows this to extend up. So this whole pole here, as you see, claps down. It's quite a short length, goes into a vehicle, a car, but it will reach up as high as 22 foot, which is more than adequate for what they wanted. So once we'd come up with a design, we created some prototypes, which we sent out. They tried and tested them. They were happy, made a few adjustments. There was a bit of toing and froing, and now these products are out there in the field doing the job that they wanted it to do. So there's a good example of a concept through to a design, prototypes, and eventually through to manufacturing. Thanks very much.